Okay, next model. If cot theta equal to 3 by 4, then find 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to how much? Okay, so this is also same model question. How to derive it? Very simple. Okay, so cot theta. So cot theta is equal to, what is meant by cot theta? Cot theta equal to adjacent side of theta by adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta. Adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta. Okay, what is adjacent side of theta? This is the theta. Okay, let us consider ABC is right angle triangle. Right angle at B 90 degrees. Okay, and one of the acute angle A equal to theta. Okay, so adjacent side of theta is equal to 3. 3 means what? 3 parts or 3 units. Okay, and opposite side of theta. Where is the opposite side of theta? This is theta, its opposite side BC equal to 4. Here 4 means 4 units, 4 centimeters, 4 meters or 4 parts. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of hypotenuse here. Okay, so AC square equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AB equal to 3 square, BC equal to 4 square. So AC square equal to 9 plus 16, that equal to 25. 25 is also perfect square. 5 5s are 25. Okay, therefore hypotenuse AC equal to 5. Here 5 means 5 units or 5 parts. Okay, 5 parts. We got hypotenuse also 5 units. Okay, now we have to find 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now we have to find sin theta. What is meant by sin theta? Opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Where is opposite side of theta? Where is the opposite side of theta? 4 units by hypotenuse equal to 5 units. Okay, now what do you want? We want to find 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, that equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 by 1 plus sin theta equal to, already we have found it, that is 4 by 5. Okay, simple method. 5 ones are 5 minus 4, that means 1 by 5, all by, okay, 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9 by 5. If 5 cancel, remaining 1 by 9 is the answer. This is very different model. Okay. Okay, next question. If cos theta equal to P, then find cot theta. The value of P is lies between 0 and 1. That means that is the mid value of 0 and 1. And that P always belongs to Q dash. That means that is irrational number. That means you can get to square root value like that. Okay. How to find? Okay, already the value of cos theta was given. Cos theta equal to how much? P. So P means P can be expressed as P by 1. Okay. So what is cos theta? Cos theta means adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Okay. Let us consider a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B 90 degrees and you take one of the acute angle A, consider as theta. Okay, adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta equal to how much? P, adjacent. And the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, longest side equal to 1 unit or 1 part. This is P parts or P units. Okay, now have to find the value of opposite side. How? By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. That means 1 square equal to P p square plus bc square, opposite side. Okay, so 1 square means 1 plus p square of transposition, it becomes minus, is equal to bc square. Okay, what do you want? We want to find bc. So therefore bc is equal to square root of 1 minus bc. That means square root on both sides. Square and root cancel. bc equal to how much? Square root of 1 minus p square. Okay, what do you want? We want to find cot theta. So cot theta equal to what? Cot theta means adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse opposite side of theta. Tan theta equal to what? Opposite side of theta by adjacent side. Its reciprocal is known as cot theta. Okay, so cot theta is equal to adjacent side p by opposite side is 1 minus p square. Okay, so the same question we have to find out some of the questions. Same, we have to do same model questions. Okay, you have to find the cot theta, tan theta as well as cosecant theta. You have to find both of them with the same question. Okay.